How to hide your following on TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make your followers list private in just a few steps. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to open the menu. Let me show you. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down and look for the following option and tap on it. At this stage, you'll see options for who can see your following list. Tap on Only You to hide it completely from everyone else. Once done, your following list will now be hidden and no one else will be able to see who you follow on TikTok. Here's an important note. Hiding your following list doesn't affect who can follow you or see your content. It only prevents others from browsing through the list of people you follow on your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide your followers on TikTok, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.